How can door hardware make everyday life easier? What if it were simple to install, saving you time and money? Or replaced spare keys with an app? What if you never had to worry whether your kids remembered to lock the door on their way out? Everyday life gets easier thanks to the cutting-edge technology of the Schlage Sense Smart Deadbolt. Offered in a variety of styles and finishes to complement any decor, the Schlage Sense Smart Deadbolt installs easily with just a screwdriver, while providing the highest residential security rating. Once installed, the deadbolt pairs easily with your smartphone to provide a variety of access options using a secure connection. Now your smartphone is your key. Our free app makes your Schlage Sense Smart Deadbolt easy to set up, manage, and use every day. And if you're away from home and need to lock or unlock your door, Schlage offers a variety of ways to control your smart deadbolt from anywhere. For households that include Android and Apple users, the Schlage Sense Wi-Fi adapter provides easy access to your deadbolt via the Schlage Sense app. You can also pair the Schlage Sense Smart Deadbolt with a home automation system. Find all of the integration possibilities at schlage.com/sense. At Schlage, we create innovative door hardware that makes everyday life easier.
Meet the August Smart Lock. Control who you welcome into your home like never before. August installs on the inside of your door and makes your smartphone a smart key, and more. August automatically unlocks your door as you approach, so no more fumbling for keys. And it locks automatically when you leave. With the August Smart Lock, give guests like dog walkers, delivery people, or friends and family virtual keys with access for a few days, a few hours, or even just specific times. Never leave keys under the mat or in fake rocks again. The August Smart Lock allows you to let in who you want when you want, and get instant notifications when anyone comes and goes from your home using the August app, so you know your loved ones are home safe. And you can even keep track of guests with a 24/7 activity log right on your smartphone. With August Smart Lock, send virtual keys to guests and never copy a key again. Give guests access for a few days, a few hours, or specific times. Always know who comes and goes with a 24/7 activity log. And stop fumbling for keys. August Smart Lock automatically locks and unlocks your door. The August Smart Lock is part of the August Home Access System. Welcome to a life that's more simple and secure.
What do you want for a snack?
Cupcakes.
Cupcakes.
Yeah, that's great. Excited to see you this weekend, Mom. Bye.
It's going to be a great game today.
He's in trouble. Missing running it. That's 40. That's 20.
Daily convenience and optimal security. The Curio Smart Lock was designed with this in mind. Installing the Curio Smart Lock is fast and super easy. Just attach the device onto your door and over your door lock with the adhesive pad. The included bolt turner ensures the Curio Smart Lock works on most doors, even if the device doesn't fit perfectly onto your lock. Users in Japan are raving about the Smart Lock's simple installation. And today, the Curio Smart Lock is the most successful smart lock in Japan. The makers of the Curio Smart Lock are hard at work, designing new adapters to fit most door types in the West. The main unit features a durable mechanical design and uses proven robotics technology developed by Sony. Curio uses advanced encryption technology and multi-factor authentication to ensure the highest possible level of security. Plus, Curio Smart Lock creates a log of every time your door lock is opened or closed, even by hand. With the Curio Hub, users are alerted whenever the Curio Smart Lock is manipulated. No matter where you are, you'll always know your door is safe and secure. You can even share temporary digital keys and scheduled keys, and you can disable a shared key at any time. Operate your smart lock with smartwatches, an Android phone widget, and set an auto unlock when you approach your door.
Thanks to the new Dynalock smartphone controlled door, coming home is fun and easy. Now you can simply leave your keys at home. No matter where you are, you can always give others access to your door through the app on your smartphone. Choose to grant access for a few weeks, a few hours, a few minutes, or even specific dates and times. You never have to think about lost keys again. And if the smartphone is lost, the access rights can be deleted in just a few seconds. A 24/7 activity log tracks who enters and exits your home. And with unique keys for each user, you'll always know who opens your door and when. With Dynalock products, you can control any door at your home. For instance, your garage can be opened automatically and you can make it request a confirmation when you approach the gate. Of course, you can always open the door the old-fashioned way, just by using a key. All Dynalock products work together to make life more simple and secure.
My name is Joey Mucha, and I'm a San Francisco technology entrepreneur and skee-ball champion. I'm one of the first superhosts on Airbnb. The process of swapping a key with a guest is very cumbersome and time-consuming. So using Lockatron was mesmerizing. When I put that thing on my front door and it was able to unlock directly from my phone with just the tap of a button.
Our latest Lockatron product is Bolt. And Bolt is essentially taking all the elements from the previous Lockatrons and putting them into a smaller, more robust, elegant package. And we're actually able to offer that at a better price point.
When you open the app, you're presented with a simple lock-unlock button. What you also have is an activity log. So this shows you who's come and gone. You can check to see if your roommate's home. And it also has the ability to add and remove guests. You just tap a button next to your friend's name and suddenly they have a key for the weekend.
I've had a guest come stay with me and I wasn't even in the same state. I was in Arizona and I let them in remotely from my phone using Lockatron.
The latest version of Lockatron consists of two products, Bolt and Bridge. Bolt is a Bluetooth Low Energy replacement door lock. Bridge will connect your Lockatron to the internet, which gives you the capability to say, be in London and unlock your door for someone at your apartment in San Francisco.
We have a vibrant developer community that's making smartwatch applications for their Pebble, for their iWatch, for their Android watch. One of the guys at Pebble built this application that you can just do a fist bump with your Pebble and it unlocks your door. You look at the successful technologies of the past 20 years, and the only thing that works is things that enable people to work better with other people.
If Lockatron went away, I would be devastated. It would be a total bummer. I have shown it off so many times, and it impresses so many of my friends and my guests. I think the only thing better than Lockatron is rolling a perfect game of skee ball.
I'm Cameron.
I'm Paul.
This is Lockatron.
Introducing the Samsung Smart Door Locks. Stylish, award-winning door locks to improve the look of your entrance, as well as providing many ease-of-use features to make your life easier and more secure. Samsung Smart Door Locks, although new to North America, millions are installed around the world. They come with a 1-year warranty, long battery life, and are designed for North American weather. Security features include the ability to easily reset the code to allow entry for guests, dog walkers, or contractors, as well as a random security code feature that ensures that fingerprints don't show a pattern of your code. The Samsung 3320 and 3321 deadbolt locks are available with a physical key or without. They're easy to use for all family members, they're easy to install, and they're great for homeowners or commercial buildings. They can be used with a key fob, they're perfect for new homes or to upgrade your current door lock, and they hold up to 71 codes. The 3320 has the ability to use a physical key as well as the keypad or key fob, or the 3321 is an option without the physical key. The Samsung 505 door lock is a stylish design with a seamless front panel and door handle. It can be set to automatically lock behind you to ensure security and peace of mind. It features a long battery life with low battery warning signals and uses regular AA batteries. The 505 is recommended for professional installation. The Samsung 717 and 718 door locks are very sleek, seamlessly designed, with a push-pull handle that is easy to use and effortless. The 718 model comes with a biometric fingerprint reader that can store up to 100 users for added security, and if entering during the night, sound can be muted for quiet entrances after a specific time. Samsung Smart Door Locks. Trusted Samsung brand with millions installed around the world, designed and tested for North American weather, security features for peace of mind, and easy and convenient for the whole family.
Open Sesame. Sesame is what's called a smart lock, which means you can unlock it using your phone as the key. I've tried other smart locks. They're way too big. Their apps are confusing. They take too long to connect. And they're a hassle to install. And I'm pretty handy. But Sesame's different. You can install it in seconds, literally. No unscrewing, no replacing. Sesame has a patented design that fits any latch anywhere in the world. The app is handsome and intuitive, but you can open your door without it, like this. Or like this. Sesame senses when my phone is nearby and gets ready for my special knock. And I can get the optional Wi-Fi access point. It plugs into the wall nearby, so Sesame is always on my home network, and it's linked to the access point with Bluetooth, which keeps it connected while going easy on the batteries. And with no keys, it's easy to let other people in too. I can choose who has access and who doesn't. I get notifications when my lock opens and closes, so I can always know what's going on, no matter where I am. And it's got military-grade encryption. No one's hacking this thing. Open Sesame. Ta-da.
Meet Teodor, your brand new personal doorman. Teodor is a smart lock, the most advanced way to enter your home. Imagine all the times you had trouble finding the key to your door. With Teodor, the door unlocks itself, swift and simple. Our app offers you more than locking and unlocking a door. You can limit user access to a specific timeline, keep an activity log, and other features that come in handy. Teodor can tell you about any uninvited guests who might have entered your home. You are simply notified and can then take appropriate action. Teodor instantly falls in love with any door. It's compact, adaptive, and designed to be universal. We're a team of devoted experts who have been working for 2 years, perfecting your doorman's behavior and appearance. And now, Kickstarter, it's your turn to unlock our project and bring Teodor to life.